I have goosebumps. My skin is like just, I'm vibrating actually. So as soon as I'm on my own, I'll be laughing and screaming. My name is Javier Gómez. We live in Toronto, Canada. I had the all-on-4 and also this sign at the bottom. I like to call it the Disney experience. It's like a one-stop shop, right from the beginning to the end, right from the moment that you arrive to, I don't know, I'm speechless. It's actually more than I expected. Excellent, fantastic. They always make me feel welcome and feel very happy.
So multilingual. I don't speak Spanish, so they have English, Spanish, Russian, and French. So all across the globe. Any of those languages is fine. They were so good to me. They've taken no problems. Everybody takes good care of you here.
Gracias, muchas gracias. Wow. Now I can speak. Good. Let's go. Feeling like you, brother. Look, hey, now come back. Happy man. No, gracias.
A ver, ¿te gustó?
Me encantó. No, me gustó. Wow.
This is Cancun, Mexico. It's better than most of the Canadian cities, better than most American cities, very safe.
The price fantastic. There's no way I could afford this in Canada. It's impossible. It would have been basically, it would take me many more years. Yeah, I feel fantastic. B1 with ODC. Okay, brother.
You rock.
Okay, man. Gracias.
Thank you very much.
Hey!